Hey everyone, it's Kimberly, your go-to real estate agent in Tucson, Arizona, and today I am thrilled to introduce you to my latest luxury listing in the highly desired Sonoran oasis of Quail Creek in Green Valley. Luxury and tranquility can be yours in this lushly landscaped and meticulously appointed, almost brand new home built in 2023 on an oversized north-south lot. This 2,726 square foot Avalon model captures open desert views in multiple directions, breathtaking mountain vistas, and vibrant sunrises and sunsets. No expense has been spared in this elegant and immaculately maintained retreat. The home features 2 bedrooms and a versatile office/den that can serve as a 3rd bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms, all with luxury vanities and tile, a welcoming great room, expansive gourmet kitchen, dining room with built-in shelving, an oversized laundry room with utility sink and cabinets for extra storage, and an air-conditioned 3-car garage. Silver travertine pavers frame the walkways and front patio, surrounded by a stacked stone facade on the home's exterior and mature saguaro cacti and palms, all glowing with beautiful custom desert landscaping after twilight. Inside, an impressive glass-paneled entry door opens to a foyer that flows into a bright great room and seamlessly connected to the kitchen, dining area, and outdoor living spaces. High-end finishes can be found throughout, including luxury vinyl plank flooring, coffered ceilings, quartz countertops, custom tile work, solid core doors, designer lighting, custom window coverings, and soft close cabinetry in all rooms, each illuminated with natural light through each oversized window and expansive glass exterior doorway boasting tranquil views. The gourmet kitchen is equipped with LG signature appliances, including a 6-burner gas cooktop, convection microwave ovens, wall-mounted hood, and dishwasher, farmhouse sink, custom backsplash, Butler's pantry, and large walk-in pantry provide both elegance and functionality. The dining room features a built-in buffet, large window overlooking the swimming pool and mountains, and sliding glass access to the patio. The primary suite offers direct patio access, a glass-enclosed custom tiled shower with bench, dual vanities, and a finished walk-in closet. Additional spaces include a 2nd bedroom and bath, half bath, built-in office/den, and a well-appointed laundry room with LG thin-Q washer and dryer. The 3-car garage includes epoxy flooring, a 2-ton mini split AC, whole house water treatment, and a Rinnai tankless water heater. Solar panels significantly reduce energy costs. But the backyard living is just as stunning as the home's interior. Expansive sliding Arizona doors open to over 1,000 square feet of covered outdoor living, finished in matching silver travertine. The backyard is a true resort retreat, featuring a saltwater pool and spa with water features, Baja step, PebbleTech finish, and lighting. A covered outdoor kitchen includes premium Lion and Blaze grills connected to natural gas, along with refrigeration, storage, and generous counter space. A 60-inch lanai fireplace, rolling shutters and screens, and multiple ceiling fans will enhance your year-round comfort. Lush desert landscaping with Canary Island date palms, decorative boulders, privacy walls, and custom gates complete the enclosed yard. Gutters drain underground to protect the foundation during monsoons. But don't forget about this highly sought-after neighborhood. Residents of the gated Quail Creek community enjoy comfort, serenity, and world-class resort-style living, including championship golf, multiple pools and spas, pickleball, tennis courts, fitness center, art facilities, on-site dining, walking paths, and an active social calendar, all surrounded by the beauty of the Sonoran Desert and the Santa Rita Mountains. This stunning home has been meticulously cared for and is waiting for you to call it your own. Today, reach out to me, Kimberly Maholka, to set up a showing. When you or a friend are interested in purchasing or selling a home in the Tucson area, all my contact information is listed below each video on this YouTube channel. We have over 1,000 videos on the channel about Tucson and real estate, and I feature all of my listings on this channel when you're selling a home with me. I also have additional additional marketing tools that I would love to tell you about so that you can sell your Tucson home quickly and for top dollar. When you're ready to purchase real estate in the Tucson area, I am a fourth-generation Tucsonan with in-depth community knowledge to help you in your home buying journey. I specialize in relocation, listings, and luxury, and I work all over the city and suburbs. Consider liking and subscribing on your way out the door when you want to learn more about things to do and see and know about this city, my hometown. I really appreciate you hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next Tucson video or when we go to buy or sell a home together.